everybody. I've come to show you how to do some simple warm-ups and warm-up songs on your flute and how to assemble the instrument. So we're going to start with the head joint. You can just blow across the top of a flute to make your first sound. And if you pop your finger gently in and out of the end of the tube, you can change the sound. You can even do songs just using the head joint and your finger to change the note. See if you can recognise this song. Could you recognise that? Now we're going to do something else that's really fun. We're going to put the foot joint really carefully onto the end of the head joint. I'm going to just press these keys at the bottom and I can actually do a sound that sounds like the song from Horrible Histories.
Horrible histories.
So you can have a go at doing that at home. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the head joint and we're going to pop it into the body of the flute. When you've got the head joint in, you need to check that the hole that you blow over is in line with the keys on the flute. Then we're going to put the foot joint on. Now this is really important. You need to make sure that the end of this rod here is lined up with the middle of the circle of the bottom key, okay? And that's so that your little finger can sit really nicely on there. A lot of people think that you line that key up to there, which means your little finger wouldn't be in a comfortable position. So make sure that that's always in the right place. This is a theme tune to a film about a shark called Jaws, and it goes like this. I play this by going between two notes, B and C. So B is your first finger there and your thumb on the back, and to get to a C you just take your thumb off at the back. So it goes B, C, B, C, just going between those two notes. We're going to start really quiet and slowly. Now as the shark gets closer, we're going to speed up and get louder. So let's have a go together. So I hope you have fun doing those.